Yeah, hi friends. Today we have a TP-Link router which needs to be installed in a friend's place, and I'm going to show you as to how we can fix this up. First of all, we have a 2-signal router, and this has got 2 slots where you can fix up screws. So I'm going to show you as to how you can fix it up straight and without any hassle. Sometimes there is a possibility that you might probably tend to fix it and it might go one-sided, so we don't want that to happen, and that's the reason we are going to use something like a tape. The tape is basically stuck here so that you can get what we are going to use is pencil so that we can get some marking done. Right now I'm not going to use a pencil because I found the stick handy, so I'm going to make a little mark here and a little mark here too, or maybe even if you pop a little hole inside will do. Okay, there we are. I'm going to take this tape off. Then we take a drill machine. First you put the drill machine not on the hammer but on the drilling side so that it doesn't make a large hole. So you got the first mark. Now we're going to do the second one. Take off that. Now you can put it back to the drilling section or the hammer section. Now we are going to check whether we have the right size of rowel plug. We're going to fix this rowel plug deep inside, but it seems that it has not gone through. So what we'll do is we'll increase the size of the hole. Or it seems like we are drilling into a beam. That's the reason it's taking more effort. It's still outside. We have another option wherein we can cut the rowel plug out. Okay, since that one is gone in, there is a possibility that the second one might go through. There you are. Bingo. Thanks guys. Goodbye.